Miss Feli. Good morning.
Morning.
Anong gagawin natin?
Okay.
So, ang history ng hair mo is dark brown palagi.
Black.
Black
And then I
talaga.
went to dark brown.
Okay. So, dark brown and black, almost
Yes.
the same.
Yes,
Yeah.
I know. But now I will prefer to make it lighter, really lighter. So, because I don't want to dye anymore.
Yeah. So, kahit i-lighter natin siya, yung gray hair kasi natin, kahit anong blend natin, kahit anong cover natin, yun na yun siya.
Okay, yeah.
Depende lang sa color. Pag dark, konting tubo ng white hair, mas
I know.
obvious yung white.
That's what I'm saying,
So,
yeah.
dapat nasa lighter shade. Para
Yeah.
yung lighter tsaka yung white na grow out, at
blends.
least kahit papano, hindi siya ganun ka-blend, pero nagko-camouflage lang siya.
Okay.
So, malalighten ko tong hair nyo ngayon kasi almost the same kayo
Yeah,
ng hair.
because mine's gonna be like hers, actually.
Yeah. So, kailangan ko siya ng bleach
Yeah,
to lighten up.
yeah.
Pero yung pagka-bleach kasi, magdidepende tayo doon sa hair. Kasi
Okay.
kahit gustuhin man natin yung color, pero pag hindi na kaya ng hair mo, baka
Alright.
sayang lang din.
Alright.
So, itong hair mo kasi ngayon, ang fine hair niya. Pag once i-bleach yung fine hair, talagang ramdam mo
Oh, really?
yung roughness.
Oh,
Yung synthetic
Oo.
na black, mahirap siya tanggalin.
okay.
So, patong ng bleach
Yeah.
to lighten up. Try muna natin strand test
Yes.
kung kaya niya ba talaga i-lighten up.
Okay. How light can you?
Yun,
Depends on the hair.
magsa-styles ako.
Okay.
Yun. Yeah, try ko muna strand test kayong dalawa.
Okay, thank
Ha? O yung mga inspiration muna natin, cancel muna.
Okay.
Kasi magdidepende pa rin tayo.
Depends
kung-
on how it looks like.
Yeah.
Yeah,
And then,
okay.
si Archie po. And then si Syra, sa'yo, Ma'am Fe. Siya yung maglalagay ng color. Si Archie sa'yo.
Okay.
Ako naman magde-decide about haircut,
Alright,
coloring. Yeah.
Okay, thank
Paredy
you.
ko lang kayo, ha?
Yeah.
Okay, sige
All right,
po.
thank you.
Go. Yeah.
Very nice.
Dark.
No more dark, lovely.
Fresh na.
Talagang maganda, talaga.
mag-itim, ha?
No. Sa kasal.
Blend na blend talaga.
No, very, very nice.
Twin sister.
This is my,
din yung hair mo.
the two black sisters, I mean, black hair sisters. Now we're become blonde.
Yes.
Thank you very much, GM.
Thank you, JM.
you so
Lovely.
Thank you. Well,
Mag-picture tayo.
I know. Look at that. How you managed to do that? Look.
Selfie.
So next
Because
time, halimbawa kung hindi na kayo makapag-picture, kung pag nakabalik na kayo sa atin,
Yeah.
light,
Light.